Hello everybody. So I've been really frustrated by these blue screen of death crashes that have started again this past week with the Season 3 update. But I think I might have found a repro. So this is a completely fresh Windows installation from the media creation tool into version 1903. And I've done it completely vanilla. So just to confirm, it's version 1903, and the build is 18362.145. I installed it and then did all the updates until it said it didn't have any more. So the repro steps that I have were to install Windows Fresh, install iRacing from scratch, set it so that it's running in a 1024 by 768 bordered window, download the Z1 server software, download VoiceAttack, download OBS Studio, then download the Kutu iRacing browser apps, run each one of those to set them up. For the BetBot, I have set the channel in the INI file to iRacing, just sort of arbitrarily. But everything else, Z1 dashboard, OBS, VoiceAttack, the rest of the iRacing browser apps, just totally defaults, and they're the trial versions, so everything's free. Then reboot, run Z1 server, VoiceAttack, OBS, BetBot, BetterTP, and the iRacing app server. Then run iRacing. The track I've been testing with is Montreal in the F3. And the first time I did this, it loaded in successfully, but then I got a blue screen crash when I clicked on the quit in the iRacing UI. And the mini dump analysis from who crashed implicates easyanticheat. So let's try it again. I've just rebooted the computer, and we'll see if we get consistent behavior or not. This is not 100% crash, so I'm not going to be heartbroken if it doesn't happen, but I was pretty happy to see it happen the very first time I ran it. So Z1 server, run as a demo. VoiceAttack, run as a demo. OBS, run it with really no configuration whatsoever. And then BetBot, BetterTP. And it's interesting, BetterTP is complaining that its data file got corrupted when the computer blue screened. Imagine that. And then Kutu server. Okay, so those are the applications that I normally run for my stream and stuff. Again, they're just total vanilla configurations. And the free versions of the commercial software. So what I've been doing is just going into test, F3 at Montreal, test car on track. And we see like the Windows game stuff. I haven't turned any of that off. I haven't changed any system configuration stuff. Okay, so it loaded in. The last time I clicked on this quit, it crashed. So I'm 2 for 2 on this repro. We'll let the Windows dump complete and then run who crashed to see if it again implicates easyanticheat or if it's some other value in the stop code. When the crashes were happening last month, it seemed like the dump file was always implicating something else, either the GeForce drivers, the Windows kernel, the file system. I did get a couple easy anti-cheats back then, but we'll see what it shows this time. Okay, let me reboot the computer. We'll see what who crashed says. Suspense is killing me. Okay. Okay, so not as juicy as far as a direct implication of easy anti-cheat. This time it's complaining about the NTKM, PM, or MP, and the NT-DLL. So these are consistent with like the kinds of mini dumps and who crashed analysis that I was seeing last month. I think they're just kind of arbitrary, but I certainly do intuitively suspect that it is easy anti-cheat at the root of all of this. We started seeing these crashes in April around the 16th, and then they stopped on May 6th. There was a forum post by one of the iRacing staff saying that they had rolled back the easy anti-cheat version to stop the error 13 that people were seeing from an update at that point. And miraculously, all of the blue screens that I had been seeing and the other people in the forum were reporting stopped then. And then they started again last week in the beginning of June with the Season 3 update. So at least the crash seems to be happening consistently for me with these repro steps. Let's try it one more time since we're here. So we start Z1 server, run as a demo. We start VoiceAttack, run as a demo. We start OBS. Then we start BetBot, Better TV, and server. Now we go to iRacing. Excuse me. Okay, load it in. See what we get when we hit quit. Three for 3. Okay, so this seems pretty consistent. I'll see what this dump analysis reports, but I'm not going to bother recording it and stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. At least it seems like there's a solid repro at this point, so hopefully iRacing staff can take a look. Okay, thanks.